What comes to mind when you think of tea plantations, tea bushes neatly pruned in rows with horticultural aesthetics? Not quite here at forest in Jingmai, a mountainous border area of China's Yunnan, where ancient tea trees coexist with primary forests and age-old villages in harmony. An impressive landscape. A piece of good news from the extended 45th session of the World Heritage Committee in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, the place I am at right now. The cultural landscape of old tea forest of the Jingmai Mountain in Pu'er has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage. So what's special about these tea forests, and why does it deserve such an honor? Join me for a first-hand experience at the tea plantations. The landscape consists of 5 well-preserved old tea forests, 9 traditional villages within them, and 3 protected partition forests between them. The forests have been well managed under a unique conservation system that respects the cultural and biological diversity and sustainable utilization of natural resources, which combines government management and grassroots autonomy, built upon the foundation of traditional tea ancestor beliefs.
这些都是有灵魂的茶树，这些茶都是有灵魂的茶。保护茶林是遵照祖训，我们非常有信心来把这个遗产守护好。
山上的少数民族，他一直有敬畏自然、尊重自然的文化传统，他们爱护山上的一山一水一草一木。普洱吉玛山果茶林文化景观，成功申报世界文化遗产以后，我们一直会延续和传承我们的文化信仰，来一起把这个茶林保护和传承好。